So one thing you may notice with your Miata is that while you're driving around you might smell a little bit of fumes. This can be caused by the check valve on the gas tank back here. So what I'm going to do is, since I have my top off already, this is a really great opportunity to check that valve, which is located under this panel here. That check valve is located right here. It looks like a small 10mm bolt. So when you remove this, you should shake it, hear a little bead rolling around. And it actually does sound, if you shake it hard enough, it moves. So we're going to spray carb cleaner on each side and let that clean out a bit. Alright, so once you've hosed this down with some carb cleaner, you should be able to hear it move and jiggle around. And we'll be able to throw it back in, clamp it back down, and hopefully be gas fume smell free.